What's going on? So, Robert Shy at Convert Without Risk here. We help sales coaches get more appointments, and that includes high quality appointments. So, 10 high quality appointments a month guaranteed. And I want to show you how we do it. It's a little bit unorthodox, but we collect a lot of information. So, let me show you a little bit more um, on the automation side, what we do to handle our clients. So, we use a custom AI bot to receive all your information from your onboarding form, that lets we get the information on your credibility, how many case studies you have, what your current offer is, your current customer avatar, and then your price point. We send that through our AI bot. And then we also send your information to create an offer. So this is to create a customer avatar for you that's dialed in. And this one is to create a dialed in offer that will convert to cold traffic so we can run paid ads for you. And then this is just a part of the sequence to get your name right and formatted correctly so we can create you a Slack channel when you're first onboarded. Pretty simple stuff. But then we also create a Google Sheets row with your information, just so the team can access that and get started on the work that it takes to build out the system. So we have a really deep and dialed in system that we're going to be giving to you. So basically, we're creating how do I explain it? We're creating a message in a chat that gives the offer, um, and then also the client avatar. It's hard to explain. So in Slack, I get a message every time we get a new client, and it's telling me your optimized offer, your name, and your optimized avatar, so that the team can get to work on that. We can send it to our copywriter. He can start optimizing things for your funnel, depending on if you have a funnel or not already. But we do a funnel audit if you already have one. But this is just making sure that we create your Slack channel. So that's sending you a link. This right here is gathering your information. So basically, we're seeing what your offer and avatar is, and then we're having our AI create 5 different value emails for your book a call sequence. So when people book a call with you, in our system, we're building it out. When we build it out for you, um, and this is a 7-day build out for everything, meaning that you have a funnel optimized, you have your VSL, all of this. We do a lot of stuff on that, and I probably have to show that more so you guys can see how valuable this is. But we send that to a document with your name on it, so that our our go high level optimization guy can go ahead and start building everything out and add that to our sequences. So we have a few sequences. So just a simple email nurture, 5 email sequence. But then on top of that, we have so this is all of the workflows that are going to be inputted into your Go High Level account. If you don't already have one, and we're building everything out for you. If you already have that, we'll just have to look at what you already have and optimize that. If not already good, depending on your KPIs, if your metrics that you already have are good, then we'll just leave that alone. But if they need improving on that side of things, we'll come in and audit that. Now you see right here, pipeline. This is all the automations for the pipeline. This is all the automation for the leads. This is all the automations for email nurture, and this is for the call. So just let's look at the calls real quick. So when you get a new booked appointment, it's going to qualify, see if a person's qualified. So you don't have to deal with tire kickers. It's automatically going to cancel their appointment and send them a message. Then on the other side, if they do qualify, it's going to send them a confirmation text. It's going to wait till they confirm. If they don't confirm, it's going to follow up, and it's going to keep following up. And if they don't confirm after a while, they'll cancel their appointment because they probably would have no-showed anyway, just based off of just human nature and likelihood. So as we see right here, confirmation, they need to reply with the letter C to get confirmed. Right here, you see email. It's sending the first few value emails. As you can see, this email right here is just to get them to be prepared for the meeting. different things like that. This whole sequence is sending you internal notifications. Hey, your meeting starting in 3 hours. Sending them notifications to their email and to their phone to make sure that they show up. And this is a part of our system to make sure you get 10 highly qualified appointments per month. It's not just throwaway people. It's high qualified people that are going to show up, and that's our job. So that's the front end. So this is just some of the things we're building, but of course, we're also building you a really highly optimized funnel. So let's go to the snapshot. So we have funnel, and then we have your main pages. So our team even is going to make sure your terms and contact us is great for compliance, so that when we're running your ads, we don't have any problems, and you're fully compliant as far as data and all of that. Then from here, we have the VSL page, booking page, and confirmation page. Booking page is for a link that you can send people to if you call them, and you need to have them booked in, but you don't want to send them back to the VSL. This is just a page where it's only the calendar, just to make it simple so that you can have a separate link with that. Now, this is a confirmation page, which we have you build out some stuff for. We help you build out some stuff for to make sure the person's confirmed, ready to show up if that's already not built out on your end. Now, other than that, I'm not sure. Okay, yeah. But let's see. Hopefully it will let me do this. Here we go. All right, so we have a really big build out for what we actually do here at Convert Without Risk. So here's some of the things we do to make sure that you get very highly qualified appointments. So listen, you don't want to work with anybody who's not obsessed with your problem. And what we focus on is an obsession with your problem so we can solve it for all variables. So these are the variables. These are our ways to solve it, and these are the methods. We go deep into that. But as you can also see, this is the sequence for you coming into our pipeline and us building out for everything for you. Different things like that. Pretty simple stuff, but this is what we do for you. If you're a sales coach and you need more appointments, there's nobody better to go to. This is what we specialize in. There'll be a link in the description if you want to talk to us. God bless.